Good morning. This morning was a bit chilly, minus 18, so I decided to do a slow, soft start, we'll call it. It is currently 10:30. It's probably at about minus 13 right now. So actually not too bad. What I realized was I didn't cut my top plate. I did that just now. But because I'm building this out there, I need to lay this plate out, and it's on a 412 angle. So I made all the marks from when I measured for my stud length. I need to transfer all those lines onto this plate so that when I build it out there, I know where these studs attach to the plate. So I'll get started on that. Really all I need is my framing square. This total length of this plate is like 196 and a quarter, I think. So I'm gonna have a splice right here. Okay. So I'm right where the wall starts. And I'm on the red line. This is my top plate. There's a red line here for my bottom of my bottom plate. And I bring this mark up. I've never done this before. This is kind of new. It's important you're on the red line because it does change your layout fractionally. Oh. Like so on. Alright, so presently just carrying all the studs out to where I'm going to build the wall. Okay, so I've had the generator running for about half hour. It's going to get real loud, so I can't talk. The way I have my trailer set up is the generator's exhaust blows on the compressor, hopefully warming up the compressor. So we'll see if I can get the compressor started now. Okay, that went well. That was too easy. I'll take it. Oh, I need nails. Okay, we are going to stand the adjacent wall to this little raker party. Shouldn't be too heavy. Get a little bit over to the header here. Oh, that's not bad yet. Okay, something tells me it's not epically straight. Okay, we'll toenail this in. Okay, that's nice. I feel like there's something being a turd. Okay. You know what? We're gonna call that good. Well, what a reach. I like it. Actually quite nice out. Probably -8. I can't reach that. That's not cool. Okay. Gotta get a ladder so I can shoot that cat plate. So these two rake walls mimic each other. They're exact same. The only difference is the window is laid out in a different spot. So I can use every one of my marks from the first wall that I built for the 16-inch on center. The only thing is where the window goes, that's going to be different. So I'll measure that. So here it is on the bottom plate, my stud and cripple. It is 3/4 of an inch from the joint in the plywood. 3/4 of an inch to the short of 19 degrees. So this first stud will be 147 3/4. Easy peasy. So here's the stud I just cut. It's at 147 1/4. So now the cripple is on the other side, so it's going to be this cripple will be a hair bit longer. So all I do is I flip this stud and I measure the long of this 19 degrees up here. Should be 1/2 inch. Ooh, oh, it's 147 3/4. This is 148 1/4. So that'll be 148 1/4 to the short 19 degrees. I just hope I didn't mess this up. I gotta double check. $147 3/4. Yeah, I was right. So 148 1/4 to the short.